Part 1. New words.
To invite. Invite friends to a party. We invited our family for dinner. Shy. A shy child. He is very shy. Polite. A polite person. Speak politely. Together. Go to school together. Play football together. A guest. Invite guests for dinner. The guests were very polite. To break. Break an egg. He broke the rules.
Part 2. Revision.
Personal and object pronouns. I can see him. He can see us. We can see them.
Part 3. Grammar 1.
Using I and me.
Which sentence is correct? My friend and I went to the cinema.
When you talk about yourself and another person together, I or me usually comes at the end of the phrase. It sounds more natural and polite. The children broke a big dish near my mother and me. My friends and I invited some guests, and we all cooked dinner together. Tom, his sister, and I worked together on a project. She turned off the music and looked angrily at my brother and me. The guest thanked my sister and me for the help.
Part 4. Grammar 2.
Using they, them, their.
Choose the correct pronoun. Did you see the person in the car? No, I didn't see them.
When you don't know if the person is a man or a woman, use they, them, their to talk about them. When a traveller gets lost, they can always call us for help. A shy person doesn't like other people talking to them. Every person is happy when their guests are polite. When a customer breaks a glass, they don't need to pay for it. He tells every guest to take off their shoes before they come in.
Part 5. Grammar 3.
Object pronouns.
Who wants some cake? Me. Who ate all the biscuits? That was him.
Use object pronouns after the verb be, after verbs, after prepositions, in comparisons, in short answers. I always help my husband, but he isn't as helpful as me. My brother had a big party, but I want to invite more guests than him. Do you remember Ben? We invited Sandra and him for dinner this Sunday. The manager came up to my friend and me and spoke to us very politely. The shy boy stood between Rob and her, and I took a photo of them.
Part 6. Read and choose.
My sister and I weren't shy when we were young. Who broke the window? It was him. They invited my wife and me for dinner. When a guest arrives early, they can wait in the living room.
Part 7. Quiz.
What's the word?
A person who is quiet and doesn't like talking to other people.
Shy.
To ask a person or people to come to a place.
Invite.
A person who visits or stays at a place for some time.
A guest.
A person who is nice to other people and uses good manners.
Polite. Homework.